Hello everyone, let's do another original knot. This is the Quaint Wreath knot. Let's get started. This is the left side, it's at the belt line. I'm gonna come over, bring it over as usual. I'm gonna bring it underneath this time. We're gonna come down, under like this. So we're gonna have this kind of pattern right here. Gonna bring it across back like that, and we're gonna come up and under like this. We're going to start a wreath right here. We're going to come around and underneath like this, right here. We're going to do a wreath right here. And I'm going to come back around doing a wreath like this and up and under. Then I'm going to fold this in half. I want to leave this part open in the middle. And then I'm just gonna fold it in half, come across the top like that, and then come back down like this. And then make sure it kind of has some form of a, not point, but kind of goes over like that. And then I'm going to secure it in place by doing this. Let me put my collar down. Peace and God bless.